This Calphalon Classic Oil-Infused Ceramic 11-piece cookware set is a great addition to any kitchen. It has many useful pieces for cooking your favorite dinners. The set includes saucepans of different sizes. There is also a wok for stir-frying tasty meals. You can easily cook basics like eggs and pasta. This set can handle many cooking elements. The Calphalon Classic Oil-Infused Ceramic 11-piece cookware features a special nonstick surface. This surface is infused with oil, so you might not need to add extra oil when you cook. This can be a bonus for healthier cooking. Food slides off easily, and cleanup is simple. The pots and pans heat up quickly and evenly. This helps your food cook well over several months of use. The Calphalon Classic Oil-Infused Ceramic 11-piece cookware can become your go-to set. It is designed for everyday cooking. While location doesn't matter for cooking, having good tools does. This set can sit neatly on your countertop or in your cabinets. It helps make cooking enjoyable and less of a chore. Pros: heats up quickly, cooks food evenly, oven safe up to 450 degrees F. Stay cool handles, tempered glass. Lids, includes many pieces, healthier cooking, no need for much oil. Cons: not fully non-stick, handles can get hot, hand wash recommended, may stain easily, uneven heating possible, lids don't fully seal, durability concerns, finish can look dull. Features: PTFE, PFOA free, hard anodized, even heating. Stay cool handles, oven safe to 450 degrees F, tempered glass lids. 11-piece set, 10-year warranty. This 11-piece Calphalon Classic cookware set has a special ceramic coating that is made without harmful chemicals and infused with oil, so food does not stick easily. The pots and pans are made from strong metal that heats evenly for good cooking and have handles that stay cool to the touch. They can also be used in the oven up to 450 degrees F and come with lids made of strong glass. The set has different sizes of pots and pans and includes a 10-year promise from the company. This Calphalon cookware set has 11 pieces and can heat up fast and cook food evenly. You can even put it in the oven up to 450 degrees F. The handles stay cool when you're cooking on the stove, and the lids are made of glass so you can see inside. It's supposed to be a healthier way to cook because you don't need a lot of oil. But it's not completely non-stick. Sometimes the handles can still get hot, and you have to wash them by hand. Also, they might stain easily, and the heat might not always spread perfectly. The lids might not close super tight, and some people worry about how long they will last and that the shiny look can fade.